ang bansang awit to be led by Maxime Bailon.
Kamay mo. Again, welcome to our United Nations celebration. The United Nations is an international organization designed to make the enforcement of international law, security, economic development, social progress, and human rights easier for countries around the world. The United Nations includes 193 member countries, and its main headquarters are located in New York City. Prior to the United Nations, UN, the League of Nations was the international organization responsible for ensuring peace and cooperation between world nations. It was founded in 1992 to promote international cooperation and to achieve peace and security. So to start our program, I will call Juven Parol for a poem number entitled Peace on Earth. Peace on earth. Peace on earth will surely grow. When there's love, that we all know. With beautiful love, peace really sure. Nothing there to be scared. Peace on earth will surely grow. If love like water, see it flow. We should give instead of take. Peace is ours to break or make. Peace on earth will surely grow. Might be tough, might be slow, but with love, close and dear, there is nothing we should fear.